Binance login problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can solve the Binance login problem, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to solve the Binance login problem, basically what you need to do is you need to, let's say you're not being able to log into Binance with some kind of issues. The first thing we want to make sure is that it is not an internet connection issue. So if you're using Wi-Fi, make sure you're using a quite strong one. If you're using cellular data, make sure that you also have enough of data and MB left for your cellular data. After that, what I'd recommend you do is go ahead and long press the Binance application here, tap the eye icon to come to the app info page, and then from here on you'll find the storage option. Once you find the storage option, you'll find the option called clear data, which you can use to tap on it and then tap the delete option here. And once you tap the clear data option, what you can do from there onwards is you can just go ahead and then basically try to reopen the Binance application, and you want to make sure that it is not the credentials issue, because sometimes it could also be a credentials issue. Make sure that you properly remember your email and password and then you log in using those if you're having difficulties with that. And if you have your account saved with Google, you can also continue logging in with your Google account. So hope this video helped to solve the problem as to how you can solve the login problem. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.